I don't care who you talk to, who you watch on YouTube. No one knows when the bottom of a bear market is. You just don't know. And the reason you don't know is because literally there's thousands of wallets going on and everybody's making their own decisions. So to be able to time a market's impossible. So what is the strategy? Well, for me, I'm trying to invest in multiple projects, not just find the moon coin. That's number one. Good investors have diversified portfolios. So ask yourself, are you right now investing in new solid projects? Have you stopped? Have you given up? Have you said screw crypto? I understand that sentiment. Now, let's talk about Drip Animal Farm since this is the Drip Farm channel. If you look at Drip right now, bam, you can see the price of Drip has fallen since probably January, right? I mean, it's $11.29. It's not sexy. At least it's still paying out, right? So for me, 11 coins today, 131 bucks. That's great. I mean, I can't complain that at least I'm still making something. But what is your strategy? My strategy right now, and you might disagree with this, I look at this right here, coin market cap, and I look at this. See, a little bit of boost, boost, boost. But look at this. This right here has fallen. Hex, baby, has fallen like crazy. Over the past month, you've got basically from 7 to 20. So it's been cut in half in a month's time. The question isn't, is Hex going to hit all-time highs again around here at 50 cents? You know, I don't really care whether it goes up there. My thing is, historically, is this thing going to bounce up to 20 cents? And if so, why don't I ride that double? So what I plan on doing is coming over here to Drip and claiming about half of my Drip I'll leave in my wallet, okay? And this is just what I'm doing. Some of it I'm hydrating, some of it I'm claiming. The stuff that I'm claiming, so out of 11 here, about 5.5 of that, because that's half, I'm going to use, convert it, and I'm going to go buy more Hex. Now, maybe this is stupid, right? Because people go, oh, Hex is stupid, Richard Hart's arrogant, blah, blah, blah. Yes, but their community is huge. So is their TVL, okay? There's their market cap here. And they have a community that's anticipating major catalysts like Pulse Chain and Pulse X. The question is like, are those catalysts going to come before you're going to see a rebound in Drip? No one knows. I just know that I can diversify my risk by owning both Drip and Hex. So by selling half of Drip, I mean, that sounds like a swear word, but you know, I'm allowed to do this. Okay. So relax right now. Like, I'm my own person. I have to do what's right for me. I'm diversifying into multiple projects right now. So I know right now in the comments, you're going to be so mad that I even said the word sell Drip. I don't want to sell Drip. Maybe selling Drip, listen to me, maybe selling Drip is the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. Like, that is a very real possibility. Okay. But what I'm doing is not selling Drip and putting it in BUSD in a stable coin. That's not what we're doing. What am I doing? I'm diversifying my risk and my opportunity. So because I see Hex as a huge opportunity with it falling so much, I'm buying at a super low, a historical super low. Now it bounced at around 4 cents. I think it was 4 cents. Yeah, look right here. Boom, 4.9 on this chart. I think it was even lower than that. So here, let's look at a better chart. Here's Hex, okay, minus 7%. Drip is doing its thing, minus 5% every day. Hex has at least some chop, okay? So where you want to see the chop on Drip? Let's look at Drip's chart. That's not chop. That's just like, okay? So I'm just telling you this. I'm just doing what I'm doing. You don't have to follow. You can just comment and tell me how horrible person I am. That's fine. But look at these buy orders. Like, this is a huge, huge coin. So all I'm thinking about doing, guys, is selling half of my Drip that I claim. I do hydrate once in a while, but recently I've been claiming. You can see I'm not selling it all. Here, let me show you guys this. Let's go to assets. Look, just full disclosure. Where's my Drip? Look, I got 160 Drip. So if I was selling all my Drip, relax, I'm not. I'm bag holding some Drip. But some of it I'm also going to be looking and dollar cost averaging into Hex. Now, I don't know if 7 cents is the bottom. In fact, I would put my bet that, you know, probably could could retouch this. I think this is probably a fake out little dead cat bounce in the whole crypto market. I don't think it's like the pain is over. I think it's going to fall again. I just think it will. My gut, what usually happens are these little rallies, get all the new capital in, and then it just dumps again. So that's what I'm doing. Hex and drip. Diversifying my risk. Are you okay, Tex? Good? Okay. Sorry, my dog, I don't know what he did. But hex drip is the kind of little strategy I've been doing. I didn't want to disclose this. I disclosed this over a week ago in my private Discord. Some of them have been doing this, dollar cost averaging in. But tell me what you think. Am I stupid? Like, I'm open to being stupid. I've been called worse. But it's just too juicy to know that Pulse Chain and Pulse X, they're not even out yet, but they're going to come. Then you're going to have that catalyst when he takes a screenshot or a snapshot and you get a duplicate of your hex on the Pulse Chain. So people, I think, are going to want to buy up hex before that event. Hex has fallen because Richard Hart said that Pulse Chain wouldn't be released in the month of May. So I'm buying into the max FUD of hex. And I'm doing so with drip. And drip is this free money that you're making from the faucet. Now, most of us are hydrating, and I still hydrate from time to time. I just hydrate less. I'm claiming my drip. I keep it mostly in my wallet, okay? Because if I put it back in the faucet, it gets locked up, right? So I want some to be, I love that I have a lot in the faucet. Like, most of my money is in the faucet, guys, so don't yell at me. But some of it, I've got about 100 and something drip that I'm like thinking about what to do. I can hold it, or I can take that, sell it, pay a max fee, which sucks, and then go buy up some hex, so that if hex doubles, now that double has outpaced the loss that you see every day in the price action of drip. Okay, so that's just a strategy. I mean, I don't know. It could be smart. It could be stupid, but that's why you're here on this channel. So love me, hate me. I think there's some alpha in what I said. I think it's kind of smart. Maybe it's stupid. But I look at Hex community. People go, oh, drip community is so strong. I get it. Hex is like probably 10x that in size. And influencers, YouTube, plus the catalysts. You say, well, the catalysts of scratchy tickets for drip. And I understand that. Those catalysts are not on the same level as releasing a new like mainnet, Pulse Chain, and then Pulse X. I think those catalysts are going to bring a lot of eyeballs, attention. And Hex, is Hex going to ride a little bit away? I don't need Hex to ride up a lot. If it's at 7 cents, can it go back to 14? Like, is that too much to ask? You know, after this major dip, like to get this to go back here. Where is it? Here's a 7-day chart. Here's a month chart. Yeah. Can I get it to go to 20? Because if I can get it to go back to 20, that's more than a double. And this is all in less than a month. There's more volatility in Hex than there is drip. So, okay, these are the thoughts of a crazy man. Leave me in the description what you think of this video. No one else is making a video like this. All right? I don't copy other people's ideas. This is my idea. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe to the stupid YouTube channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one when I cover a new project. It's a video that's releasing tomorrow. It's a new ROI project that I invested in. All right, I love you guys. Hate me, love me. Tell me, am I stupid? What should I do? Tell me what you're doing. I love you. Goodbye.